Another question. What about travel time to go get materials or supplies? Or as my video was as an example, I had to go get the mini blinds from the guy's house, and I had to go get a new valve at the Home Depot. Do I get paid that $50 an hour after the first hour and a half to drive to his house, drive to Home Depot, and drive back?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. And because when you're punched in, the customer has your GPS location. They can see that you're not, at McDonald's having a milkshake. They know where you're at, so they can follow you. And because you're doing work, on their behalf, you should be paid for that.
Mm-hmm.
But oftentimes, we don't get paid for that activity because it's just like, part of the business, right?
Yeah.
But with our process, so, typically if it was me, I would go to the house, do what I can. I'd punch in, I'd go get the materials, I'd stay punched in, and I'd go back and do the work, and then, punch out and upload the photos and satisfy the receipt needs, and then be on my way.